Kuringana na ataaramu a technology kuma kuri kambuni imwe ya guthondeka thimu, namba nini ya airitu no marathoma mathomo ma sciences na mathabu, na uguo gugakorwo no kunderu wa airitu thiini wa mawira marakuruhania uthunduri wa mitambo ya kiriu ukiringithania na namba ya arume.
Ratio between girls to men is very low. Like few females pursue tech courses. I think most girls lack exposure and mentorship.
Airetu aria me courses cia STEM, iyo ni science, technology, engineering na mathematics. Tondu tuonete hena gap ya airetu na turenda gukorwo na airetu aingi muno kothi-ini ici na wira even in the industry, so that we can niguo tugakorwo na airetu aingi.
Airetu matongoretio ni Rukia Mwari makiuga mathomo maya matikoragwo mari mahuthu, na uguo ringi nikio aingi mataramacagura. Ende arutwo airetu a JKU aria marathoma mathomo maya maugite korwo mambitie tene mangire kuraya ona makeria.
STEM courses zimekuwa introduced hivi majuzi. Mimi personally kama ningefanya STEM course nikiwa primary ama high school ningekuwa mbali, kwa sababu that's what the country needs now, the STEM courses. So I'm urging all girls, everyone at large, wajiunge na hizi STEM courses, zitatusaidia.
Professor Catherine Kunyanga wa University ya Nairobi akinyita mbaru ikinya ria ministry ya mathomo ria kwaga guthengia mathabu hari mathomo ma o muhaka, akiuga gutire kothi kana wira utarabatara mathabu.
Before you do statistics, bioinformatics, you need some mathematics. Some of the courses we teach at the university, you have to have some background. And I believe also our graduates, let's say whether you'll be in accounting, business, economics, how will you do all that without, whether you will even be an entrepreneur or a business person, you'll be earning money, employing people, you need some basic mathematics. I think everyone, even Mama Mboga, need mathematics. So for me, it's a must. We can't kick out mathematics.
Ino ni ceceni ya Inooro TV Juja, na niĩ njĩtagwo Moses Ngige.